I already completed number 5 except the last bit of this question. Today I am starting from number 5 xv, then number 6. Now xv, number 5. You look these questions, particularly these questions. Limit x tends to infinite. Limit x tends to infinite. a0, a1x, a2x square, an x to the n whole divided by b0. Sorry. M. Then xn or xm divided. Then x to n or same x to n same as x to m is divided both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator. Case 1. Then the limit function becomes limit x tends to infinite. Here xn is divided a0 x to the minus n. Here also xn divided a1 by x to the 1 minus n. Here also xn divided a square x to the 2 minus n plus an. Then similarly in denominator sides, here also xn divided b0 x to the minus n, b1 x to the 1 minus n, b2 x to the power 2 minus n plus bm. Here m is equal to n, you can write n also, bn, because n is equal to m. So you can write instead of m you can write bn also. All the value are 0 because something by xn, something by infinity equal to 0, all terms are 0 except last term. So it becomes an divided by bn. That is your answer. Because all the terms are 0. a0 by xn means count. What do you mean by a0 x to minus n? That becomes a0 by x to n. Where x, the value of x is infinite. a0 by infinite is equal to 0. Similarly, all terms are 0 except an. Similarly, in denominator sides, all terms are 0 except bn. That is n, bm. Given condition n is equal to m. So, bm becomes bn. So, an by bn. Or you can write am by bm also. That is your answer, case 1. Now, case 2. The case 2 is the condition is n is greater than m. Case 2. When going to case 2, it becomes n greater than m. Then the highest power is n. Since n is greater than m, throughout the equation the highest power is n. So the highest power is divided. The highest power is xn. The highest power is xn is divided both numerator and denominator. When xn is divided in numerator, that part becomes. When denominator xn, that becomes bm x to the power n m minus n. That becomes x to the power m minus n. You look in case 2, n is greater than m. The highest power of the equation x to the n is divided both numerator and denominator. X to n is divided both numerator and denominator. Here xn is divided, here xn is divided, here. When n x to n, in this case xn divided, xn is cancelled, remain an. In denominator side also xn divided. In last term is x to m. When xm divided by xn, that x becomes m minus n. All terms are became 0 except n in upper numerator sides, and denominator all terms are 0. n by 0 is equal to infinite. N by 0 is equal to infinite. That answer is for n greater than m. The answer is 0. Now I am going to case 3. That is case 2. I am going to case 3. In this case, n is less than m. N is less than m. Then highest power is now becomes highest power is xm. So xm is divided. Then m is divided in numerator and denominator. It becomes minus m, minus m, minus m. That is x to the power n minus m. That becomes minus m, 1 minus m, because x to m is divided by am. Here xm is divided, xm cancel. All the terms of the numerator side becomes 0 and denominator side is am. 0 by something is equal to 0. You look that three cases, case 1, n is equal to m, case 2, n greater than m, case 3, n less than m. Only one thing you remember, when the limit function x equal to infinite in a divided functions, the highest power of the variable is divided both numerator and denominator. But in case of x is equal to 0, the lowest power is divided both numerator and denominator. Only that things must be remembered. When the limit function value is infinite, then highest power is divided both numerator and denominator. And in case of limit extends to 0, the lowest power of both the numerator and denominator is divided both numerator and denominator. Now I am going to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6I. Here looks lim extends to infinite. Sin x by x. Here x tends to infinite. Limit changes. Put x is equal to 1 by y. That implies y is equal to 1 by x. You looks here. X, the put the value of x 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So y tends to 0. That functions in x form reduced to y form. Limit y tends to 0. 1 by x is equal to y into sin e 1 by y. You look 1 by x is equal to y. Here y 1 by x is equal to y, and sin x is equal to 1 by y. Now limit y tends to 0, y into limit y tends to 0 sin 1 by y. The value of y is equal to 0. 0 into something is equal to 0. Because particular that type of questions I have already solved. Question number 2I. You look better, you look number 2I, you can find that results also. Now I am going to number 2I. Now I am going to number 2I. Number 2I. Number 2I is given. Limit x tends to infinite. X tends to infinite, and x a to the power 1 by x. Here also you can do same techniques. The same techniques you can adopt, right? That is, put y is equal to 1 by x, y tends to 0, and x is equal to 1 by y, no doubt. You put limit y tends to 0, x is equal to 1 by y, 1 by x is equal to y, a to the y minus 1. You know this formula. Limit y tends to 0, a to the y minus 1 by y is equal to ln a. That particular formula I already discussed about you. I have discussed from before to you. Particular that formula, limit is x tends to 0, a to the x minus 1 by x is equal to ln a. Here it is 5, then ln 5, here is 2 ln 2, no doubt. That is number 2i. Then I am going to 3i. Then I am going to 3i. Here x tends to 0, not infinite. You look these questions. Here x tends to 0. The x power half minus plus 2x (3x to the power 3 by 2) divided by 2x to the half minus 2x 3 by 2, 2x 5 by 2 plus 4x to the 7 by 2. I already told, if x tends to 0, then lowest power is taking common both sides, both numerator and denominator. Now, limit x tends to 0, so lowest power is x to the half throughout the equation. So taking x to the half, here becomes 1. When x to the half is taking, it will remain 1. Then 2 to the x to the half, because 1 minus half is equal to half. Then 3x, 3 by 2 minus half is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 3x. Then here taking x to the half, it will become 2. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to x square. 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 6 by 2 is equal to x cube. X to half cancel. Now put the value of x is equal to 0. That is 0, that 0, that 0, that 0. So the answer is 1 by 2. Because the value of x is equal to 0. That is your answer. That is your answer in your books. Half. So number 3i. Now we are discussing about number 3i, similar as iv and v, no doubt 3i, not 3i, iv. You look in your book, iv and v both are same quality. So I am going to solve number v, because iv is less importance than v. So I think to solve number v, bit v, number 6. Okay, v. Six v. 6v, that is in this types. The question is given in this type. Limit x tends to infinite. Limit x tends to infinite. Limit x tends to infinite given, that becomes x square root over of x fourth plus s square minus x4 minus s square. Here limit x tends to infinite. You change the limit function into x to y by taking put x is equal to 1 by y. Put x is equal to 1 by y. That implies y is equal to 1 by x tends to 0, because 1 by infinity is 0. I already solved this process more than 10 times. Now, limit y tends to 0. Here x is equal to 1 by y. That becomes 1 by y square x square. That becomes 1 by y fourth plus s square root over minus 1 by y fourth minus s square You look, the next step, that becomes limit y tends to 0, 1 by y square. The LCM is y fourth, 1 plus a square y fourth, root over, the root over y fourth is equal to y square, minus LCM is y fourth, 1 minus a square y fourth, root over by y square. Just you are taking the y square throughout the equation. The y square is LCM, y square is taking outside 1 by y fourth. Now, the equation becomes limit y tends to 0, 1 plus a square y fourth minus 1 minus a square y fourth by y fourth. You look, this question becomes a root over functions, number 5. When a root over function is coming and the limit value y is equal to 0, then the conjugate is multiplied both numerator and denominator. Because I already solved more than 10-20 questions in this way. Now I remove this from your blackboard. Now the conjugate. Now I am going to the conjugate. Limit y tends to 0, the conjugate of 1 plus a square y fourth minus of 1 minus of a square y fourth. The conjugate is 1 plus a square y fourth. Here minus, here is plus, root over of 1 plus minus of a square y fourth. Is multiplied both numerator and denominator sides. Y fourth whole into 1 plus of a square y fourth plus 1 minus of a square y fourth, which multiplied both numerator and denominator. Now, limit y tends to 0, a minus b whole into a plus b, a square minus b square, root over is vanishes, 1 plus a square y fourth minus of 1 plus a square y fourth. Here is minus, minus became minus, minus plus. Now, y fourth whole into 1 plus of a square y fourth root over plus of 1 minus of a square y fourth. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now the question becomes in this type, limit y tends to 0, a square y fourth plus a square y fourth, that is 2a square y fourth divided by y fourth whole into 1 plus of a square y fourth plus of 1 minus of a square y fourth. Here y fourth cancel. Y fourth cancel. Put the value of y is equal to 0. That value 0 and that value 0. The root over 1 is equal to 1. 2a square in the upper sides, and the root over 1 is equal to 1. Because that part is 0, because y value is 0 and that value also 0, 1 plus 1, that is 2a square by 2. 2 cancel, that answer is a square. The answer is a square. That is your number B. You can do IV similarly, because IV is less important than V, but number VI is very easy questions, number VI. Yes, I am going to number solve VI. Next. Number VI, you look number VI in this way. VI is, number VI is limit x tends to 0, cos of sin x. Cos of sin x. You look, only the part is variable part is sin x, not cos is constant. So cos is taking outside of the limit functions. So cos is going to outside of the limit functions. Limit x tends to 0 sin x. Here the value is equal to x equal to 0, you put value of x equal to 0, that becomes cos sin 0. You know the sin 0 value is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. You look, the sin 0 value is equal to, sin 0 is equal to 0, but cos 0 is equal to 1. That is your answer 1. It is a very easy way to this solve. Before I am going to number, now you look B2i and B3i. B2i and B3i are pura same questions, but B3i is more important than B2i. I am going to done B3i, so you already easily solve B3i. Number 6 B3i. Number B3i. B3i is equal to limit x tends to infinite. B3i, sorry. Number that becomes B3i is, in this type B3i is equal to limit x tends to infinite or 0. Limit x tends to 2, sorry. Limit x tends to 2. X square minus of 4 divided by log 2 is here, log 2 is here, and 3x minus 2 root over minus x plus 2 root over. You look these questions, the variable is x, but log 2 taking outside of the limit functions. Log 2 is outside of the limit functions. Now becomes limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4, x minus 2 whole into x plus 2, x minus 2 whole into x plus 2. Here the root over is in your denominator sides, hence its conjugate is multiplied both numerator and denominator. Its conjugate is 3x minus 2 is multiplied here, minus plus its conjugate in numerator, also that part also divided into denominator. 3x minus 2 x plus 2 whole into 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2, and bracket is completed, and that bracket is completed. Now you look, just look, log 2 is outside of the function. Limit x tends to 2, here x minus 2 whole into x plus 2 whole into 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2. That becomes a minus b whole into a plus b, root over is cancels. That becomes 3x minus 2 minus x minus 2. Now you look, next what we get after multiplied, log 2 is outside of the function. Limit x tends to 2, x tends to 2, x minus 2 whole into x plus 2 whole into 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2 divided by 3x minus x, 2x minus 4, taking 2 common, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 cancel. Now put the value of x is equal to 2. Put the value x is equal to 2. Log 2 is here, 2 plus 2, 4 into 3 into 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 root over is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 root over is equal to 2 divided by 2. That becomes log 2, 4 into 4, 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is equal to log 2, 8. Now that is not your answer. Log 2 8 is not his answer. Actual answer is equal to log 2 to the q, where 8 is equal to 2 to the q. The power function log s is multiplied in the starting of the logarithm. 3 log 2 2. You know the base number and functional number is same, then logarithm equation is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So answer is equal to 3. That becomes 1 because 2 2 same numbers. So that answer is actual answer is equal to 3. That is your procedure of number V3I. But V2I is less importance. You can easily solve in this process. Okay. Now I am going Ix and X. Before I am going to Ix and X, there is two formula. That particular identity you can use in these questions. Okay. Now number Ix and X. For boy students, I already solved Ix. For you, I am going to solve number X. Because same question. Ix and X are same question. But two formula that I am going to discussing now, you have used particular Ix and X cases, which I am not that particular formula I am not discussing you from before. Now today these two formula I am going to discussing about it. That is formula 1, that is limit x tends to infinite. I think infinite first case. Yes. 1 plus 1 by x to the power x is equal to e. What do you mean by e? E is the base of the natural. Hello. Namaskar. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x to the x is equal to e. E is the base of the natural logarithm. Where b e is the base of the natural logarithm. Where e is the base of the natural logarithm. Formula 2. We have used that formula as same as in this case. Limit x tends to 0. Here infinity is 0. That is 1 plus y to, so 1 plus x to the power 1 by x also e. You put 1 by x is equal to y and x is equal to 1 by y. Same question. Are the same tricks that I have used in this case. Now I am going to solve number x because Ix I already solved for the boy students. So I am going to solve x. Same tricks. Number x. Limit x tends to 0. That is 1 plus bx log e. 1 plus bx to the power 1 by x. In your question 1 by x, yes. Log e taking outside of the function. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus bx. Here b by bx, because that x, here also x. Since it is bx, we have used bx by multiply b and divided b, because bx and bx are same. Now log e, limit x tends to 0, that means bx tends to 0. 1 plus of bx, 1 by bx whole to the power b. That value becomes e. In this case, that value becomes e. So that is equal to log e, e to the power b. That value is equal to e to the power b. B is coming outside the logarithm. So b log e. You know log e is equal to 1. So answer is equal to b. Similarly, number ix, the answer is a. By using particular similarly, we have also solved number ix. Now I am going to solve number xi. It is very important questions in this important bit in this number 6. So I am going to solve number xi. xi. xi is the most important problem. Number xi, limit x tends to pi by 4, then given sine 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x given. You also write 1 into tan x. Again I am remembering to you, if you are very weak in trigonometry, then you cannot solve limit, derivative and integration, because limit and derivative and integration reach with trigonometry. Derivative, integration, also limit reach with trigonometry. So if you are very weak in trigonometry, then you cannot solve these problems. Now instead of tan x, I write 1 plus tan x. Why? Taking sign outside of the limit functions. Limit x tends to pi by 4. You know tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Instead of 1, you can write tan pi by 4 minus of tan x divided by 1 plus that value 1 equal to tan pi by 4. Okay, into tan x. You look, that tricks. I have used 1 here because instead of 1 I have used tan pi by 4. You already know the formula, that pi by 4 minus x already there. You know the formula, tan x minus tan y, 1 plus tan x into tan y, tan a minus b formula. That becomes sine outside of the limit functions. Limit x tends to pi by 4, that is tan pi by 4 minus x divided by pi by 4 minus x. Here pi by 4 minus x, tan x tends to pi by 4 and pi by 4 minus x. So in this case, taking limit transfer, put pi by 4 minus x is equal to y tends to 0, because in value of pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is 0. So sine outside of the limit is y tends to 0, tan y by y. You know tan y by y is equal to 1, that becomes sine 1. Answer. That is your answer. That is very important problem in this exercise. You look, that is, you put 1 is equal to tan pi by 4, then 1 plus tan x. Use the identity 1 into tan x, because 1 plus tan x same as 1 into tan x. 1 plus 1 into tan x. So instead of 1, you put tan pi by 4. Now going to putting the formula tan pi by 4 minus x divided by pi by 4 minus x. Then next pi by 4 minus x put y. Then y tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0. Tan y by y is equal to 1. That is sine 1. That is xi. Now x 3i. Just I am going to solve x2i. 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 Limit x tends to pi by 2. Here x tends to pi by 2 given. Log 1 minus of sine qx by cos square x. You look, log is the function taking outside of the limit function. Limit x tends to pi by 2. 1 minus sin x, that is 1 q. You know 1 means 1 q. A q minus b q. 1 minus of sin x whole into 1 square. 1 into sin x plus a sin x square, sin square x. You know aq minus bq, a minus b equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Divided by, do you know cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x? So 1 minus sin square is equal to kete? That means 1 minus sin x whole into 1 plus of sin x. 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x cancel. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Log 1. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Sin pi by 2 1 square is equal to 1. Divided by 1 plus 1. Because sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. That is equal to log 3 by 2. That is your answer. That is very easy questions, x to y. Now, the last x3i is very easy, you can solve easily. But I only solve xiv and xv today. That is the last question, xiv and xv. xiv and xv. xiv. You look, xiv is in this type. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. X whole into e to the power 1 plus x 1 plus x square plus x fourth minus 1 by x divided by 1 plus x square plus x 4 minus 1, that will. That x is multiplied in the numerator side. That becomes, when it is in denominator side, it becomes divided. So, limit x tends to 0, e to the power 1 plus x square plus x fourth minus 1 by x minus 1. That x coming to denominator sides, 1 plus x square plus x fourth minus 1 by x. Because x is also multiplied in this case. Put that part is equal to y. Put y is equal to 1 plus x square plus x fourth, sorry. Put y is equal to 1 plus x square plus x fourth minus 1 by x tends to 0. That particular value taking y. Now, limit y tends to 0, e to the power y minus 1 by y. That value same value. So, that becomes 1. You know this formula, that identity you already know. Limit y tends to by x tends to 0, e to x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. So, that is number xiv. Now, I am going to solve the last question of your book. Now, but last question of this number 6. That is xv. xv. xv is in this type. Limit xv. You look, in this question there is some wrong misprinting. That is the printing mistake there is in xv. Just you change your books, that limit x tends to 0. Your book is written as b tan x, but it is actually bx. You write b here. That b is not printed in your book. It is simply written as b tan x. Now, the question is b tan bx, not x, e to the power a sin ax by b tan bx minus of a by b, minus 1 also omitted in your books, minus 1 divided by b sin ax minus a tan bx. That minus 1 is omitted and b is omitted in your books. Now you are going to take b tan bx is divided in both sides, numerator and denominator. Now limit x tends to 0, e to the power of a sin ax that is a also a sin ax, a sin ax by b tan bx minus of a by b minus of 1 whole divided by b tan bx divided here, that becomes a sin ax by b tan bx minus of a tan bx divided by b tan bx, tan bx cancel, that becomes a by b. Put y is equal to a sin ax by b tan bx minus a minus b, that becomes y tends to 0. You put limit y tends to 0, e to the y minus 1 by y. Here y, it is y, that becomes 1. That is your answer. That's all about number 6. Next classes on Friday, coming Friday, I am going to solve number 7 and 8. They are totally completed by limits. Then from Sunday I have started derivative. Okay, that's all.